Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make a banana cake. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this recipe you'll need some bananas, 2 bananas. Make sure they're very ripe. After that you're going to mash them using a fork or a masher. Mash them until they're well mashed. Your mashed bananas should be as shown. Then you're going to add in some 1/4 cup of sugar, but you can add less or more. After that you're going to add some 2 eggs. Then you're going to mix them well until they're well combined. You'll then add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of cooking oil, or you can use margarine instead, a 1/2 cup of margarine. After that we're going to add a 1/3 cup of milk. Then we're going to mix it well so that it will be well combined, or until the mixture is fluffy. Lastly, you're going to add 1 cup of self-rising flour, but you can use all-purpose flour. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then you're going to sift it as shown in this video, so that when mixing you shouldn't have any lumps on the cake batter. You'll then transfer the cake batter on a baking tin as shown in this video. After that you are going to pat it to remove excess air bubbles. Then you're going to bake the cake on a preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes, and after 45 minutes your cake should be ready. So you're going to remove it from the oven and set it aside so that it can cool completely before cutting the cake, and see how it has turned out. Guys, thank you so much for always choosing to watch my videos. I don't take you for granted, and for that reason, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. As you can see, we are cutting our cake, and from the looks the cake turned out so well and it looks delicious already. As you can see from this video, our banana cake turned out so well. It looks so delicious and moist. Kindly do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. And don't forget to give this video a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn how to make banana cakes at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.